am so happy with this product. So I got them yesterday and I love them. I love them. It's shocking. It's shocking for me at first because I've never had white teeth. I have never had good teeth. I have never been impressed when I look at myself and I smile, but I've been taking a lot of pictures of myself in the past day because I really am thoroughly impressed and thoroughly thrilled with this product. So if you have made it this far, please know that I'm for real. I am cheap. I am a mom who spends more on her kids than herself, and this product is something that I am so incredibly thankful for. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this product. I'm very satisfied. 5 stars. If you are even kind of thinking about it, just go for it because it'll make you happy. Thanks, Papa and Veneers.
Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. These are the impressions